So in this session, we will try to understand what are the solid principles and what are the advantages of the solid principles. Everything we will learn in this session. Actually, solid principles are five important roles that help you write the clean code and organize the code. They ensure your software is easy to update, add new features, and fix the bugs without breaking the existing functionality. By following these solid principles, developers can reduce the confusion and they can avoid the errors and they can keep the code flexible. Now try to understand about this scenario where chef is doing the multiple activities and try to understand what is the problem of the chef while you are seeing this video. Just watch this. So just imagine that there is a big restaurant. In the restaurant having the multiple chefs. Here chefs are cooking the delicious meals. Okay, try to understand. At the same time, they are taking the orders from the customers. At the same time, they are serving the food as the waiter for the customers, and then same time they are cleaning the dining tables. So chefs are cleaning the dining tables as well in this restaurant. At the same time, they are handling the accounting of the restaurant. I mean, they are handling the financial transactions in the restaurant. So by doing all these activities, this is not good for the restaurant. Okay, this is the problem about the restaurant, because here all the tasks which are completely taken from the chef. Actually, this is not good for the restaurant. This is the bad, right? The same time, if you see this another example, okay, now if you take the another restaurant, okay, so there are chefs, they are doing the preparing the food in the kitchen, and the financial team is there, they are handling the some kind of a financial transactions in the restaurant, and cleaners are there, they are cleaning the tables. There are the restaurant having the waiters also, they are having the, they are serving the food in the restaurant. Okay, now everyone they are performing their roles. So that this is the good idea that restaurant appointed to the different kind of persons who are handling the different kind of works. So that is the good for the restaurant. So now we understand that, right? The restaurant which is having the chefs who are handling the all the activities, actually that is not good, that is a bad. The same way another restaurant is there, the restaurant having the different persons who are handling the different kind of activities. Okay, that restaurant is very good, right? So same way, if you apply the solid principles into the real-time application, we will get the good result. Okay, if you are not following the any solid principles, we will get the bad result, and the bad result means you will get the unwanted exceptions, unwanted bugs. We can't maintain the code properly, we can't organize the code properly. So there are many disadvantages in case if you are not followed the solid principles, like if you are not followed the different departments in the restaurant that has having the some different problems. The same way here also, if you are not followed the solid principles in the while you are building the real-time application, you will also face the many problems. Okay, so solid principles are the very important concept to build the real-time application. Key points of the solid principles are: solid principles helps the write the clean code and organize the code, and by using these solid principles, we can easy to maintain the code and we can easy update the code as well. And by using these solid principles, we can add the new features safely. So by adding the new features, the existing logic it won't be break by using these solid principles. And by using these, we can reduce the complexity and confusion while we are applying the while we are working on the application. So by using these solid principles, we can improve the code flexibility. And there are different advantages of the solid principles. The first thing is here, it is easy to fix and change. Means when something breaks or needs improvement, it's easy to fix without affecting the multiple parts of the code. And it is a future proof. I mean, you can add the new features without affecting to the existing system. So by using this future proof, we can develop the many features without getting the new errors. And by using this, we can reuse the code again and again into the entire application. I mean, we can write the code once and we can reuse that code wherever needed without starting from the scratch. And next is the fewer bugs. Means we can clean the code, we can modular the code, makes it easier to identify and fix the bugs, which reduce the number of bugs. And then next is the team friendly. So different team members can work on the different parts without the conflicts. So if the one developer is working in the one area, so another developer can also develop the another feature. So both the developers can't get the conflicts while they are developing the codes in the C# application. And the next is the better performance over time. So here, clean and modular code improves the performance and avoid the long-term issues. So by using these solid principles again, we can develop the good performance. We can improve the performance of the application, and moreover, we won't get the any long-term related issues. So these are the advantages of the solid principles. Coming to the types of the solid principles, we are having the five types. So first principle is the single responsibility principle, and next is the open closed principle, and the third principle is the list curve substitution principle, and the next is the interface segregation principle, and the last is the dependency inversion principles. So these are the five principles we have to follow while develop the real-time application. So these principles are very important while you are developing the real-time application, so that you can easily organize the code, you can easily maintain the code, and we can make it testable, and moreover we can design the code proper way.